In the world of industry and agriculture, nothing runs on just human effort anymore. But here's the shocking part. Machines alone aren't enough either. The real power lies in a dangerous balance between human precision and unstoppable innovation. Welcome back to Machines Visit. And today, you're about to witness 6 unbelievable machines that are quietly running the backbone of our world. Let's start somewhere unexpected. Precast railway sleeper production. At first glance, it looks like a normal factory, but look closer, and you'll notice something intense. Workers' machines are locked in a synchronized operation where one small mistake could ruin everything. Even though machines dominate most of the process, there are critical moments where only human hands can take control, and that's where things get serious. It all begins with molds, cleaned and oiled to perfection. Then workers step in, carefully placing wires with precision, almost like setting up a trap. Moments later, the machine takes over, stretching those wires with an insane force of 460 kilonewtons. One wrong setting here, an entire structure could fail. But it doesn't stop there. Every mold is inspected. Every gram of concrete is checked. Because even a slight miscalculation could lead to disaster once these sleepers are deployed on real tracks. Then comes the most intense phase, baking at a scorching 180 degrees Celsius. This isn't just production, it's transformation. And according to projections, this single plant will produce over 1.7 million railway sleepers in just 5 years. Now here's where things take a controversial turn. Instead of creating new iron from scratch, industries have started recycling excess iron. Sounds smart, right? But what they don't tell you is how dangerous this process really is. It all starts inside a massive furnace, heated up to a terrifying 1,538 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, impurities like carbon don't just disappear, they explode. Sparks fly violently. One wrong move, and it could turn into a disaster zone. That's why every worker here operates under extreme caution. Once the iron is fully melted, the process isn't over. In fact, that's where the real chemistry begins. The molten metal is purified, elements are added, and only then does it become steel, ready to be shaped into something new. Now, let's shift gears into the agricultural battlefield. Meet the powerful shear lifter from ASA Lift, a machine that's changing how farmers harvest forever. But here's the twist. It's not just about speed. This machine uses aggressive tooth chains to pull carrots straight from the ground, but with surprising precision. And while doing that, it cuts off the green tops and removes dirt all in one motion. So by the time the carrots are collected, they're already clean. What used to take hours of backbreaking labor now happens in minutes. Labor costs drop. Efficiency skyrockets, and farmers, they barely have to touch the crop. But the real game changer lies underground. Subsurface irrigation has always been complex, expensive, and slow, until Mast and Broik introduced something almost unbelievable. A single machine that digs trenches, lays pipes, and fills them with gravel, all at the same time. Sounds impossible? That's what makes it dangerous. Built with a compact yet intelligent design, this machine adapts to different soil conditions while maintaining insane productivity. It runs on a 320 horsepower Volvo engine, equipped with 450 millimeter wide digging chain that goes as deep as 2 meters. And with its elevated cabin, the operator controls everything from above, like overseeing a perfectly executed operation. This isn't just machinery anymore, it's control, it's precision, and it's slowly replacing the line between human effort and mechanical dominance. Now, here's something most people have never even heard of, yet it's quietly producing massive output behind the scenes. The TD tractor-mounted solid peak cutter. At first, it looks like just another machine, but don't let that fool you. This thing is built for one purpose, maximum production, and it delivers in a way that almost feels unreal. We're talking about 9 to 11 tons of peat per hour. Yes, per hour. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all peat is the same, and this machine adapts like it knows exactly what it's doing. For shallow layers, it switches to shorter cutting booms. But when higher quality black peat is needed, longer blades come into play, cutting deeper, cleaner, and more aggressively. And because this kind of work can go wrong fast, the machine is equipped with hydraulic pressure relief valve, and chain protection system at the base of the cutting boom. One wrong hit underground, and without these protections, the entire system could collapse. But this machine, it's built to survive. And now, we move to the final machine on our list. And trust me, this one changes everything. Meet the Yanmar YH 700 to 850. This isn't just a harvester. It's a glimpse into the future of farming. Let's break it down. First, control. This machine features an advanced steering system that allows it to pivot and turn on the spot. No awkward repositioning. No wasted time. It moves like it's thinking for itself. Harvesting tight corners? Suddenly effortless. Second, power. It runs on a high-performance engine that delivers fast harvesting speeds. But here's the twist. It does all of that while consuming surprisingly less fuel. More output, less cost. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it gets better. The YH 700 to 850 is equipped with a large swing separator that ensures high-speed sorting while keeping grain loss to an absolute minimum. In simple terms, you get more product, less waste. And then comes endurance. With a massive fuel tank, this machine can run up to 15 hours straight, consuming around 115 liters, meaning fewer interruptions and more continuous work in the field. But the real shock? It's smart. This harvester comes with an integrated smart assistant system that monitors operations in real time. Using GPS technology, it tracks performance, analyzes field conditions, and helps farmers make better decisions on the go. This isn't just automation anymore. This is intelligence. And just like that, we've reached the end of our list. 6 powerful machines, each one pushing the limits of what's possible in industrial and agricultural work. But here's the question. Are these machines helping humans or slowly replacing them? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss what's coming next. And don't stay silent. We want to hear your thoughts. Drop your opinions and suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.